Hello to everybody, our dear subscribers. Today is 11 of October 2018 and the FutureTrend channel is ready to present our point of view how to trade major currencies today and tomorrow. At the moment, as you could see, financial markets are under increasing risk aversion pressure. That's because of falling prices of major stock indices, and it's not a secret that much higher and let's say so the last spike in the yield of United States government papers probably was reason of the current slump in the major stock indices. As a result, the risk aversion situation continues to support such kind of currencies like Japanese yen and even, for example, the euro, the single currency, also together with the Swiss franc. So now let's see how the aforementioned currencies will evolve, how they can evolve in the next couple of sessions. First of all, let's start from the euro dollar, where the euro dollar still trading above its 2017-2018 uptrend line located at the level of 113.90, 114, and that's why we, by the way, decided to change a little bit, our longer strategy in the euro dollar. As you know, we accumulated a small long position in this pair yesterday at 114.60. Now we prefer to put a stop below the aforementioned uptrend line, and the target level is the price of 117.50, where lies, by the way, the downtrend line of 2018. Dollar yen, probably the Japanese yen is the main beneficiary of instability in the financial markets. Here we still keep our short trade recommendation, and we suggest that it's time to wait for a possible check, for the possible test of 2017 uptrend line. And this uptrend line lies around 111.5, so we prefer to close our position on a possible undershooting of the level of 111.60. Also, today we decided to improve our stop profit level. We tightened it to the level of 113.65. Cable. Here, as you know, the cable is under increasing buying pressure because of the last news regarding the chances of signing of agreement between European Union and the UK regarding Brexit. And here, as you know, Mr. Barnier, European Union Commissioner, told yesterday that this deal is 85% completed, and if so, in such kind of environment, the cable should remain supported. Anyway, at the moment we prefer to stand aside, not to rush in a kind of fresh long positions in the currency, and we prefer to stand aside and be ready to buy the pair on a possible undershooting of the level of 130.50. In case of further deepening, we will add to the position or undershooting of the level of 129.80, and we will put a stop loss below, as you could see, below the uptrend line of 2018, located at 129.60. In our case, in our example, we prefer to put a stop around 129.30. And finally, a few words about the dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss at the moment is looking from a longer term perspective still remains buoyant, should remain buoyant while trading above moving average 200 daily line located at 0.9733. Anyway, we should understand that in case of further worsening of the risk aversion situation, the dollar Swiss should remain under current downside pressure. Anyway, now the pair is trading around 0.9867. We will use possible return to the level of 0.9950, 0.9990, where lies a line of stronger offers. We will use such an opportunity to establish fresh short positions in the currency with the stop above the parity level. The moment that's all. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you very much for all of your attention. We will be back to you tomorrow in the morning. Take care.